Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So Windows 11 randomly play USB disconnect sound, but no USB reconnect, no sound USB reconnect. Okay, so first click to start, type device manager and open it. After that, last a universal bus controller. Okay, so this is USB 3.0 driver and 3.1 and 2.0. So right click to uninstall it first. After that, it will remove all. Okay, and then once again click to action and then click to scan hardware changes. After that, it come back again extract it, then select the USB 3.2.1, then right click to update driver and automatically update it, and then close, then select 2.0, update driver, update automatically, and then click to close, then close it. Then next again click to start, type control panel, open it, click view by category, small, large, any, and then find out power option, click on it, and then click to change plan setting, then click to change advanced setting, and after that find out the USB setting, extract USB setting, and then extract again USB and make sure the on battery and plug this is required, disable it. If it is enable, so please disable it both one by one. Okay, and then apply, and then click to OK, and then close it. Next, open any browser, Google search box to type AMD chipset driver for Windows 11, and then hit enter. After that, it will official website, click on it, scroll down. So this is a auto detector, so it will be required driver you can install and download and install, it will detect. So this is manual process, so click on chipset, this is auto detect. Okay, and click on chipset, then select the product, and you can enter the model, your product ID also, then submit, scroll down, Windows 11 64-bit, and then first one AMD chipset driver, it will support in the Windows 11 also. So after this started, so this is completed, just single click to open. After that, you click to install, and now it is installing. And one more step, so minimize it and click to start and type CMD repair Windows. So right click to command prompt and type this command, except say scan now, and then hit enter. After that, it started scanning. It will take some time depending on system configurations, but it will 100%, and your driver installation is also completed. Then need to restart your system. This is also installed. Okay, click to accept, and now it is installing. So all step is completed, then restart your system 100%. Okay, thank you.